Check this out, a stunning Drupal gallery with smooth transitions and video support. Click any image, and it opens in a beautiful lightbox with fade transitions and thumbnail navigation. And it's not just images. YouTube videos work seamlessly in the same gallery. Now let me show you how to build this in just 2 minutes. First, open your terminal and navigate to your DDEV project. Install the module with Composer Require. This adds LightGallery Formatter to your Drupal site. Now enable the required modules using Drush. LightGallery Formatter and the Preview module are now active. Run Drush cache rebuild so Drupal picks up all the new changes. Terminal setup complete. Now let's configure it in the Drupal admin. Open your Drupal administration interface. Go to Extend, where you can manage all your Drupal modules. Search for LightGallery and enable all the required modules if you didn't do it from the terminal. Navigate to Configuration, then LightGallery Profiles. This is where you control how your gallery behaves. Click Add Profile to create a new gallery configuration. Name it Standard. This will be your default gallery profile. Here's the game changer. Click Generate Preview. See your gallery settings right in the admin form with Live Preview. Let's change the transition mode to Fade for smoother animations. Generate Preview again and see the fade transition in action instantly. Enable thumbnail navigation to make browsing your gallery easier for users. The thumbnails let users navigate visually between items. Save your LightGallery profile. Configuration complete. Now go to Structure to connect this profile to your content type. Click Content Types, where you'll apply the gallery formatter. Open Manage Display for your content type. This controls how fields are rendered on the front end. Change your media field formatter to LightGallery instead of the default formatter. Select the standard profile you just created to link it to this field. Save your display settings, and the formatter is now applied. Test it on the front end. Your gallery is working beautifully with images and smooth transitions. But wait, there's more. Let's add video support. Go back to Manage Fields. Open your media field settings to allow additional media types. Enable remote video and save. Now YouTube and Vimeo URLs can be added to your gallery. Return to your LightGallery profile, enable video support, and save. Both the field and profile must support video for everything to work. Add a video to your content and boom! Images, videos, thumbnails, and fade transitions all working together in one stunning gallery.